Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We also have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities. Please use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Here in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in British Pound JPY and British Pound New Zealand Dollar. Let us start with the analysis. So I am in weekly time frame of British Pound JPY. So when we look at the past price action in this time frame, we can clearly notice that it was on a very nice downtrend. It has taken support at 126 and then it started its uptrend. And again it has found resistance at 155. Presently it is consolidating within this support and resistance level. Currently it has gone on an uptrend and you can notice that clearly it has again found resistance at this same level of 155. So looking at the past price action over here, we can clearly understand that there is going to be a trend reversal over here. We can already see signs of trend reversal. So whenever this currency pairs makes trend reversal, we notice a double top patterns being formed all the time. Here also it is formed, here also it is formed, here also it has formed. So we can see similar formation over here also. So presently it has taken support at 148. If the 148 support is broken, we can expect it to take support at next level of support, which is around 145. And if this level is broken, we can expect a further fall on the downside. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now and I have already drawn the support line over here. It was taking very nice support at this level and at this point it has broken this support level. From this point, this support level has become a resistance line now. Currently the market is on a bearish trend and it is again taking support on the previous support level, which is around 149. So it has to break this support level to actually start its bearish trend. But looking at the current price action, we can clearly notice that it has formed a very nice double top pattern and it is trying to break this next level of the double top pattern. Once it breaks this level, we can expect the bearish trend to start in this currency pair. The price range within this rectangle box is the support and resistance for the current price action in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We can clearly notice that the trend reversal has happened at the resistance line from the daily time frame, and I have also drawn the channel pattern in hourly time frame, and the channel pattern is on the bearish trend. So when we closely analyze the price action, it has already tested and broken this support level also. And when we see the bottommost support line of the channel pattern also, the price was taking support on this support line, and at this point it has broken this support line also, and it has broken this support line of the daily time frame also. I am drawing the midline of the channel pattern over here. So even if the trend reversal happens, we can expect this line to be acting as a resistance level and we can expect the bearish trend reversal and continue its downside momentum. So this black line is going to be acting as a resistance line for the hourly time frame. So these are all going to be the support and resistance level for the current price action in hourly time frame. And if it breaks this level of 149, we can expect a further fall in the downtrend. And even if the bullish trend starts from this support level, we can expect it to go up and take resistance at this level of 151, and we can expect a trend reversal at this point and retrace back and continue its downside trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As explained in hourly time frame, it is very clearly in a bearish trend and it has clearly broken this support level also. So I am expecting a further fall in this currency pair. Let us mark the ranges in 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame. Overall trend in this currency pair is on a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in British Pound New Zealand Dollar. I am in weekly time frame of British Pound New Zealand Dollar. When we look at the current price action, it took support over here around 1.69541 and from here it was on a bullish trend and it took resistance at 2.09607, and from here it started its bearish trend. Presently it is in a retracement to the level where it started its bullish trend. I've also drawn the resistance levels and also the support levels which are moving in a channel pattern. As long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the downtrend to continue. So when we notice the current price action, the price action is moving or consolidating within this resistance level of 2.039 and the support level of 1.847. So it is sort of a consolidation. There is no direction when we look at the price action in weekly time frame. But within this rectangle pattern also, there is a downtrend that is being formed. Only when it breaks this support level of 1.84701, we can expect the downtrend to continue. As long as this support level is holding, we can expect the consolidation to continue. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So as I explained in the weekly time frame, the current price action is moving in a channel pattern, which is a downtrend channel pattern. Currently the price action is finding support at 1.89757. So it has to break this support level to actually continue its downside trend. Present price action is also retracing and trying to test this resistance level of the channel pattern. But when we look at the current trend of the price action, it was taking support over here and it went on a bullish trend, and currently when we notice it, it is on a retracement or retracing to the downside support level of the channel pattern. As long as this resistance level is holding, we can expect the bearish trend to continue, and once it breaks this resistance level also, we have the next level of resistance which is around 1.999, and if it breaks this level of resistance, we have the next level of resistance at 20039. Every time the price tests this level, we have seen a trend reversal happening from the past price action. So we can expect a trend reversal to happen if it tests this level of 2.039. But currently the price action is in a downtrend within this channel pattern. These are all going to be the support and resistance level in daily time frame for the British pound New Zealand dollar currency pairs. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now, and we already know that the current price action is moving in a channel pattern. Presently it is in a bullish trend within this channel pattern. I am expecting it to take resistance at this level, which is around 1.97089, and then trend reversal to happen and continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all going to be the support and resistance level for this currency pair in hourly time frame. Currently the market is in a bullish trend. Wait for it to test this level of 1.97043 and wait for the trend reversal. When it retraces, you can take trade on the bearish side. Overall the trend is on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we notice the current price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was in a very nice uptrend over here, and it has found resistance at this level, and it has fallen very sharply and took support at this level of 1.94221, and from this level it has started its bullish trend. Currently the price action is in a zigzag momentum or trading within this resistance and support levels. And when we closely look at the price action also, it was on a very sharp uptrend. It found resistance over here and retraced, again has gone on a uptrend and again found resistance on the same level. So this area of resistance is very strong, and when we look at the pattern formation, it is forming a very nice double top pattern. We can expect the market to bounce back from this price level and retest on this support level. So once it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall on this currency pair. So currently it is in a process of completing the double top pattern. So this level is going to be acting as a neck level for the double top pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance level for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all going to be the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame. Please mark these ranges in your chart also and plan your entry and exit based on the support and resistance level. I am expecting the current price action to take resistance over this level, which is around 1.96186, and retrace and retest on the neckline of the double top pattern, which is around 1.94228. If it breaks this level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and retest on the bottommost support level of the double top pattern, which is around 1.92435. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.